They can go to 3 division, service, education and others. My name is Tilagawati, daughter of Subramaniam, senior lecturer for diploma in nursing and also program coordinator for post-basic in gerontology nursing. Nursing can be divided into 3 categories. One is service side. You become a basic nurse. After you qualified already, you become basic nurse. Pursue your post-basic specialization. After that, you can go to degree. Then you can become a charge nurse or clinical instructor. Then go to nurse manager. And finally, they become director of nursing. This is the pathway for the service side. Whereas in education, you finish your basic training, you must have work experience, do your post-basic and degree. After that, you can become a clinical instructor, then become a lecturer, then you can go to junior lecturer, senior lecturer, then you can be a program coordinator like me. If your future is bright, you can become in charge of the whole program. That is for education. Next, we go and see others. Others means they can become a school nurse, they can become a company nurse, they also become medical representative, work in NGO. If you have like Alzheimer Disease Foundations Center, they work there and other area. Also, they can go into nursing home. So the branch is very open. You can pursue the education, finish your basic training, there's a diploma in nursing. Then you go further a bit, post-basic. Post-basic is very important because you require specialization and you are recognized better. Then you go and do degree in nursing. After that, you can do master. When you go to the master, not necessarily you need to do nursing. You can go to education like myself. I have master in education. You can go to the leadership, care management or psychology, different branches. And you can pursue till PhD.